This video is brought to you by Bridge Gap. Daily case studies, practice questions, and more, to help you switch to digital career profiles. And now, here is the case study of the day.
Hey, those of you who are in Mumbai probably know about the Ghoda Arts Festival, and it is easily Mumbai's most known art and architecture festival. For those of you who are new to this, it happens in the second week of February, and it kind of showcases the architectural heritage in South Mumbai, and it's basically an art festival, right? And this time around they launched a new website called KGF 2021. So we thought it would be interesting to have a look at this website and check if it is ready for some of the for the number and the diversity of searches which are going to happen on Google around this area. So as you can imagine, there'll be people trying to find out where the events are happening. I mean, a lot of people would not know that it is actually happening online. Are there any tickets? What's the daily schedule like? There would be, of course, some performances which from known artists which people would be searching for. So there's a whole range of action which you can expect with respect to searches on Google, and we thought it would be interesting to see if the site is able to get visibility on Google for this range of searches. I like to make a very small point here, although we are taking this example of KGF2021.com. From our experience, this is the case with a lot of event websites. What happens in the whole rush of taking a site live, you kind of miss out on some of these simple things which will help you kind of get more visibility on Google. So let's just dive in. Okay, so we are on the site, and this is how it looks, and you can have a look at the menu. Now, one of the things which which I thought could have been done very easily is that irrespective of the page on which I am, I would, if I'm interested in an event, I would like to register for it immediately, right? So because people might just land up on this page, not go to the home page. So having a register on the menu would have definitely helped, as opposed to just having it in the first fold of the home page. Right, so that would be a good thing to have. The other thing is, let's look at how people would search for this on Google, right? So people would be searching for, definitely will be searching for schedule, and people would be searching for dates, venue, address, timings. And if you go to Google and just do this, right, 2021, and you'll see that this is called Google Suggest. These are the top ways in which people are looking for your for your keyword, for the search word, and you'll see dates, stall booking, schedule there. So definitely on the site you would need to have two pages, in like a minimum number of pages, which responds to the searches. One is the schedule, and there needs to be a page for this. Now, if you look at the schedule page, schedule is in the menu, but if you actually go to the page, there is nothing on this page which suggests that this is a schedule. Okay, so neither in the URL, neither in the title tag or the heading, there's nothing which anywhere suggests that this is a schedule. So it's going to be tough for a crawler to understand that this is really the schedule page, and understandably you will see that that particular page will not rank, right? So I'm putting schedule, and it is not ranking. Now this is, so like this, you will need to look at all the pages and see if it is, how can you make it very clear to the search engine what the intent of the page really is, right? So that's something which that's exercise which can be done all across the site, and that's going to help the site get a good rank. And it's not tough. It's not tough because this is your own property. If this is your own property, there is no competition. And apart from the news sites, see, the news sites is something like this is the ticket. Insider.in is the ticket official ticket partner, and then there will be news websites which start ranking. But those you can't consider as competition, right? Right. So I mean, you'll have to coexist with them. But definitely for words like schedule, for just the your own brand name, it is possible to come on the top. In fact, even more than even at a better position than the news sites. So let's look at the what is the result. If you have not made your site very search engine friendly, what is the result? So one is that you'll see that this particular website is not ranking for a variety of terms, whether it is the brand name or even if you do schedule, it is not ranking. And well, there could be. So this is a news website which is ranking. Now there could be a opinion that ultimately from the news website they will anyways go to the main. If people want to have more information, then they can go to the site, which then there will be a link on the news website for that. But that is not what the ideal scenario for the sponsors and for the partners of the site. They would want that people come to the site, that they browse the various sections which are here, and that's so it is natural for them that they prefer that people come to this site to the site directly. Okay, so now that you've understood the overall context, the related case study task would be, for today, is actually to come up with the first cut plan that you would have for the site, so that they can start ranking on Google. And so what you have to do is start with the keywords, do a little bit of keyword research. I mean, apart from looking at Google Suggest, actually go to Keyword Planner and look at the various keywords that people would search for. Go to Google Trends and look at the if there are any words which are trending, and then based on that decide the overall strategy for this website to start to start getting better positions.